it's Matt here with an unboxing of the 2018 MacBook Pro. This is the 13-inch. I just picked this up and I figured I would unbox it for you guys on this channel. This is going to be a shift for me. I used to have a iMac 2015 27-inch 5K, and purchased this because the 13 inches this year now have a quad-core processor. So my iMac was pretty much the quad-core i5, 3.2 gigahertz, 1 terabyte Fusion, and the new SSD speeds on the MacBook Pro 13 inches are extremely fast. I've seen some tests of some people get about 2,300 megabytes per second, which is extremely fast. I wasn't getting any of that on my iMac. So I'm very interested to see how this performs along with the quad core. I did up the RAM to 16 gigabytes from the stock RAM of 8 gigabytes. I figured I'm going to keep this for a long time, so upgrading the RAM was key, because you cannot upgrade the RAM after purchase. Oh yeah. Look at this. Shout out to B&H for the tax-free. This box is small. So again, the specs of this one is the MacBook Pro 13-inch, 2.3 gigahertz, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and I did get the base model 256 gigabyte SSD hard drive. Oh yeah. Nothing much on the box. It's been a while since I've unboxed a MacBook. Go. Oh man, beautiful. Just go ahead and open it up. Oh man, there we go. Look at that. So first up, you have the MacBook. It is significantly heavier than I thought it was going to be. I'm not sure how heavy I thought it really was going to be though. Very slim. So we'll set that to the side for now. So you get a USB-C cable. You get your documentation, energy efficiency ratings, Apple stickers. You know you gotta have these. Set that to the side. And last but not least, you have your power adapter, and this is the 61 watt USB-C adapter. So the MacBook Pro is rated for about 10 hours of battery life, but you can charge them up pretty quickly with these power adapters. But that's it for the box. Let's go ahead and set this to the side, and let's get it powered on for the first time. Okay. That noise is legendary. This space gray is amazing. Look at that. So just a tour of the device. You have your Apple logo on the back. It does not light up anymore. You have your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack on the right side with your 2 USB-C ports. Nothing on the front. On the left side, you have your 2 USB-C ports. So this is a complete USB-C device. minus the headphone jack. On the back, obviously you don't have anything. And this is the MacBook with touch bar. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up and try it out. I'm actually gonna edit this video that I'm recording now on this new MacBook. You know, give it a couple tests, see how it works out for my video editing purposes. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.